Hi there. If you don't have matric, if you haven't got any qualifications, but you have a grade 10 at school and you're interested in accounting, you can actually start building a career up to becoming an accountant without doing matric along the way. What you do is you start with the Institute of Certified Bookkeepers National Certificate in Bookkeeping. Your entry criteria is grade 10 or the equivalent qualification to grade 10. It's a 120 credit certificate. It's full on accredited. You'll find it on the National Qualifications Framework. Your SAQA ID is 58375. Certainly the right place to start building a career towards being a bookkeeper and eventually becoming an accountant. You're going to do 5 subjects: Introduction to Business English, Bookkeeping to Trial Balance, Payroll and Monthly SARS Returns, Computerized Bookkeeping, and Business Literacy. Those 5 subjects you can probably study and pass exams in a year or even in less than a year, depending on how hard you're working. With the ICB, there's multiple exam opportunities, meaning you've got 4 or 5 chances in a year to write the exam. So if you struggle with a subject and maybe you fail one subject, 3 months later, 4 months later, you can rewrite that subject. You don't have to wait a whole year, which is kind of one of my favorite things about all the ICB programs. Because with many other forms of study, there's one exam, it's at the end of the year. If you fail that exam, you've got to spend a whole another year to have another try at that exam. So multiple exam opportunities for me is quite important. What will you learn? You're learning to becoming a junior bookkeeper. So you'll be doing monthly bookkeeping to trial balance, figuring out the profits and the financial position of a company, reconciling suppliers, inventories and bank statements, calculating pay as you earn, UIF, payroll, tax and other deductions you'll figure out, and you'll be busy with all of those things, including salaries and VAT and those kind of things. So it qualifies you towards a starting position as a junior bookkeeper in an accounting department or in an accounting firm. And as a career, you can start with grade 10. I think it has excellent opportunities. Certainly bookkeeping is a scarce skill, meaning there's a lot of demand out there. People are looking for junior bookkeepers. So it's easier to find a job. And with the ICB qualification, you'll find that people know what the ICB is. Your employer will recognize that certificate as a valuable, accredited, full-on qualification. There you are, in short, how to become a junior bookkeeper. Any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you.